Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to create an overview report and how to publish the collection that we made in the last lesson. As you can see, we learned in the last lesson how to make the collection. So here is our collection that we want to publish. But before that, we want to make overview reports. So here is one thing that we need to, I need to tell you that as you can see in every different topics, there is a overview report. So like in acquisition, there is acquisition overview, and in engagement, there is engagement overview. So for now, we only have like one single topic, and I will demonstrate 2 to 3 different overview reports. But if you make like different topics, then you can add each different report to a different topic. So like just make one report for one topic and then that's it. So for now, we will just click on create new report and then click overview report. And from here, we will click on add cards. So here you can see these are all the collection. So as you can see, these are all the collections, and this includes both the published and the non-published collections. So we had made this course report collection, and here you can see all the cards that we had made. If you have followed the lessons correctly, then you must have a lot of these cards by now, because I have showed you how to make summary cards out of the reports, right? So you can choose any of these. So let's say I want to only make a report for demographics. So for this, I can just select the demographics thing. So like these city, interests, language, gender, age, and country. So these are all the cards related to demographics report. So we will click on add cards, and now you can see you have all the cards here, and these are related to all the different cards you made in your collections. So as you can see, this is one of the cards that we made using the report itself, and it includes the filter and everything. So, and you can also see where this card is coming from. So you can see that this card is coming from the report called people coming from United States. So you can also see that where it is coming from. So to save it, we will just click on save, and we will add a name. So for now, we will add something like demo graphics overview report. And you can also add a description, but for now I will just leave it blank and I will click on save. After saving, you will see like all the cards that are here in this report, and you can always go ahead and add new cards if you want to. So I will also make another overview report just to show you, and from here I will go back and just show you the different report. So we will click on add cards, and suppose you only want to make reports for a uh, particular report only. So you can see that these are the different names of the reports. So like from people coming from United States, these are the names of different reports that you have given to them. So suppose I want to only showcase reports from the organic traffic report, so I will just click all of these. So for now, I only have 3 cards that are related to organic traffic report, and I will click on add cards, and all of these have different data. So suppose if you want to add other cards that are related to traffic, so we can also do that, and we can do like views and like user by session source or something like this, and we will add these cards. And here you have your data. You can see like a bunch of these reports have these include. So this is basically the custom cards that we made in the reports itself. So this can be very helpful for you. Instead of just going into the report and seeing them, you can just see that data from the overview report itself. So again, we will click on save and give it a name. So we will give it something like traffic overview, and I will click on save, and let's go back. So now that we have completed our overview reports, you can always make less or more depending on what are the reports you have made. So after you have done making all the reports and your overview reports and detailed reports, now we will click on edit collection, because we want to add the overview reports in this collection, right? Because we haven't added yet. So here you can see that there is this option for drop of overview reports, and we will click on this option, overview reports, and here it will only show you the overview reports that you have made. So let's see. I have made two different reports. One is a demographics overview report, and if you have to add the second report here, I don't think you can, because let's say if we want to add the second report here, we won't be able to add it. There is only one overview report for each different topic. So suppose we make a different another different topic, like let's remove like views and events. So we will add a secondary topic like views and events, and we will hit apply, and then we can add the second overview report that we made, and we have added the views and the events. So this is, now we have two different topics and reports, and now we will click on save, and there will be two different options. So we will click save changes to the current collection, and now we will click on back. Adding these reports to the this side section is very easy. We just click on these three buttons and we will click on publish. You might have to do a refresh, because I have also done a refresh and it was not so showing before. So now you can see it is here it is written published, and you can also see this course reports in this main section. I will just do this to just show you clearly. So here you have your course reports, and here you have all the different reports and overview reports. So let's click on this overview report so that I can show you. So this is all the data that we have just made the overview report, and similarly this is one of the reports like new users by subcontinent, and here is your report. So that's how you can make custom reports and overview reports, and then you can publish it. So give yourself a pat on the back, because we have completed the course successfully, and you by this time you must know how to make overview reports and detailed reports, and how to use them to leverage your data, and how to help your stakeholders understand the data better. If you have any questions related to this or anything in general, then let me know and I would love to help you.